Hey y'all, it is Saturday. I know I look a mess, but quick run. Just finished washing my car. But anyways, I actually went to Bath and Body Works this morning because I had an alert came up saying that the single wick candles would be $4.95 today. And let me see what the original price is $14.50. So for $4.95, you couldn't beat that. I normally catch all the items when it's the end of the year to stack up on them, especially for the Black Friday sale, so on. But I want to show you a few fragrances that I picked up just real quick. All right, I have the Mahogany Teakwood. This is one that I always used to buy. The Into the Night. The Into the Night is actually a new one. And when I smelled it on a sample stick papers that they be giving out, it actually smelled good. So, like I said, let me see. Original $14.50. They were on sale for $4.95. So you couldn't beat that. Of course, they only had 1,000 wishes. So I had to grab that one, which is one of my faves. Rose. That one smelled good as well. Let's see what else I have. Cactus Blossom. This is another one I always buy. Champagne Toast. This is an oldie but a goodie. I love it. I love the smell of this one. Another Champagne Toast as well. I think it was another Into the Night. And I also bought one other flannel, which I have just lit that one. So I have a total of, this is an old one. I have to get rid of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of 9. Plus, if you all signed up for the coupons in the mail, the book was actually 10 off of 30, and then I could get a free gift up to $13.50. So I decided to just get one of the new scents, which is Into the Night, as a free item. So for all 9 candles in this free item, everything I think came up to like $43. I don't think that was too bad until the actual big sale come up with the bigger candles. I think they normally $8.95. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you all. They do have a sale going on only today. So if you are interested in picking up some of the smaller ones, $4.95. We can't beat that. Single wicks is well worth it. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. Thank you all. Stay beautiful as well. Have a blessed Saturday.